back, people. She is back. So, on this video, I'm gonna do some modifications to her, so she can finally go for racing. She had an inspection, technical inspection, and there are a few little things that must to be modified, so she can properly go for racing. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first one and the most important one is this one, actually, because yeah, they said that here must be covered. Even though this is tied up, it cannot get loose. They this side, at least this side, it doesn't matter because it's the exhaust. So yeah, it's difficult to get your foot that is over here there, but okay. So yeah, the idea is to make a cover here, and yeah, let's get creative. So there you go, okay? Yep, that's it, that's gonna be. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm joking. So, yeah, I got this one from Triumph, let's see, T BMW 5, I think. And actually the cover is way longer and it was cracked, and yeah, this side actually fits perfectly to this. So what I'm going to do is, as you see, I make like a plate, okay, there, and later on I'm gonna weld like another plate here, so I can hold it in here and hold it there with 2 bolts, and then I think that's gonna be, yeah, and it's gonna look like this. So after some polishing and some extra shaping, that's gonna be it, yeah. So this one is the one that I was explaining earlier, okay, you see. So yeah, this one is coming from this one. So there you go, this is my template. Let's cut it in aluminum and fabricate some nice stuff. So there we go, people. This is okay, the plate. Okay, and now I'm gonna make this, yeah, this connection here and put the big plate on it and see how it looks. Yeah. Okie dokie, it wasn't easy, but at least it's now going. So there we goes. Okay, it's looking like this right now. Okay, there's one. This one I needed to do it twice because of course this one wasn't getting enough heat, so it smelled. First the plate it smelled before this one, you know, and this sometimes happen. So yeah, but voila, okay, good to go in both sides. Let's see, there you go. So let's reshape it. Just put it first on the bike, check it out, reshape this one because of course this was earlier, but I still need to, I don't know if I'm gonna make like an angle like right now, but better, or just like a nice and a smooth round. Let's see, but it's looking really nice. Yeah. So there we goes. Okay, I'm waiting on an answer of the owner for the cover. Okay, now it's I mounted just to play, just to make a picture. And yeah, the next step is this one. So let's see. There you go. Here has some welds, but they are really bad. Like really bad. Let's try to show it. So those are the welds that I was talking about, and yeah, people, that's not good. So I'm gonna cut this one, and I'm gonna mount a fender on here, but I need to make this one like this. So let's show it. So there you go. That's actually the idea. Okay, and then I will need to cut this one. Let's see if I can mount it. So the idea is to put this one here. Of course now this way will not work. So let's cut first this one and then show it, because otherwise I cannot show it. So yeah, I might need to modify this one too. Well, no, I'm going to. Yeah. So let's get to it. Yeah. In here, okay, and I like it, it's nice, but next thing, holes and secure all the nuts. people, this is the catch can that I need to install on this lady. It's a really nice one. So let's see. Yeah, and as you can see, I modified this already. Okay, and this is the idea. That's gonna be the end product. Okay, I got it already yesterday, and yeah, it's looking nice. It's gonna look like this. I still need to do this one here, there, and here in the middle. I need to put another one, and here. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's keep on going. People, this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so yeah, I mark the center of this one, I mark the center of this one, I put it in line, then I need to still mark the center of this one. Okay, there should be somewhere here, and here I'm gonna put a rabbit or like a shim, and then weld it here so you can bolt it on and bolt it off. So yeah. So there you go, people. This is the end product. Still, I need to weld everything. Okay, this one has been welded already, so you can see. Okay, so that's nice, and everything is in line between the frame. But still, I don't know. It feels like this one is going this way a little bit now, but it depends a lot in the angle how you look. I don't know how to say it. So now it's, anyways, this is the middle. So what I'm going to do is to weld it now, everything, then put the seat and everything in place, and then just twist it a little bit until I see it perfectly. Sometimes this kind of work is you measure everything, you do it properly, you know, but even though you need to twitch it a little bit for the eye, even though everything is aligned, in the eye it's a little bit like I don't know, you know. So that's what is going to happen. Weld it, and then put everything back, and then twist it a little bit until I'm happy with it, and that's it. So let's go. So there you goes, the second coating of black paint. Okay, and yeah, now everything is welded, and it's nice and tight. Okay, yeah, of course now you cannot see the weld, unfortunately, but yeah, it's all around welded. I didn't do a shot because I was busy with this one. So yeah, let's try to show this. Okay, the catch can, and yes, this is like something where I can lay down and try to show this. So my biggest problem right now is that the only way to fit this one is in here. This is the space that I have. There's the maximum. Okay, and I can clamp it here to this one, and that's a good point. But for that, I need to take this one off. Take this one off, take this one off, take this one off. Those two, I need to weld them here for starters, for a start. Then I need to close this one. I need to close this one. Yeah, cut this one, and then make a hole somewhere. So if you want to later on in the future, you want to empty the catch can, you can do so just by doing like a plug, like so. let's see. I'm going to check what's the best, but yeah, this is gonna be it. This is the place.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest.
So there we go, people. This is the end result. Okay, so looking nice. Okay, I needed to cut this one a little bit more because otherwise, once the bike, once the suspension works, it might touch this one. So I cut it even more now, but it's good to go. And the catch can is in place now. Okay, so it's over there. You can see. So that's well done. And now I only have this one. Now this is the, I want to cut it here, but I still need to have the green light of the owner if he likes it to have it there, or do I need to put it through the fender. And I even cut this one a little bit more, and now it's way better than what it was. So yeah, I like it like this. Yeah. Such a beautiful bike, yeah, it's really pretty. I love it. Whew. So there we go, people. I know that this video was a lot of time up, and I think I didn't explain that much, but yeah. See, it has been a really, it looks like nothing, but it was a lot of work. So really happy with the result now, and see you in the next one. Remember, if you like to subscribe, remember, if you like to support the channel, you can do so by like, subscribe, give a super thanks here below, or even you can buy me a coffee. Okay, I will put a link here so you can just click it. Okay. And see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.